అందరికీ నా తరపు నుండి ఉగాది శుభాకాంక్షలు. Today I am proud to visit Vigraha, statue of Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar on the eve of his Jayanti and light a lamp. We should not forget Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji and his contribution to unite this country, to give justice to Dalit and downtrodden people of this country. Bharatiya Janata Party always respects Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji. Bharatiya Janata Party always walks on the path shown by Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji. Whether Atal Bihari Vajpayee ji when he was a Prime Minister and now Narendra Modi ji after 6.5 years, every pathakam, every yojana only for poor people and majority of poor people in this country belongs to Dalit society. Today I raised one more question. Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar ji in Constitution in 1950 he has clearly said when a Dalit person converts to Christianity, he loses his SC status. He cannot take any of the reservation of scheduled caste community. He cannot contest from scheduled caste reserve seats. But Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu, what is happening in your state? What is happening in your state? Your Home Minister is a Christian. Your MLA is a Christian. Your Sanjeevaya MLA from this constituency who got elected from scheduled caste seat, and he is clearly shown in the photographs carrying cross on his shoulders on Easter Sunday. Being a Christian is not a problem for BJP. We respect all religions, but we don't respect the fraud, the cheating. You are a Christian, you can fight from any other seat, not from scheduled caste. And this fraud, we are going to take it to Election Commission to disqualify the candidate of YSRCP for this Tirupati Lok Sabha seat, because I have posted his photograph taking blessings from a bishop, taking blessing from bishop in Gudur Church before nomination. When I tweeted, why Reverend Abhilash immediately deleted that tweet, deleted that Facebook post? It means that they understood that their fraud is exposed, and that is why my request to Tirupati people is to elect Dr. K. Ratna Prabha Garu, who is a Hindu Madiga, first ever scheduled caste lady who became Chief Secretary of any of the state after 70 years of independence. Before going to Nellore filing her nomination, she along with her husband, her daughter, her son, she went to Tirumala Tirupati Devasthanam, took the holy darshan of Lord Balaji, took a photographs outside, immediately released the photograph as well. Why I am telling, you can see her tweets, you can see her Facebook post, and then he filed her nomination. My question to Dr. Gurumurthy, only 4 or 5 days remain. Till date you don't require blessings of Balaji. From where the wealth of Tirupati came, this great Tirupati city, why it is world famous city? It is not because of Jagan Mohan Reddy. It is not because of Chandrababu Naidu. It is not because of TDP and YCP. It is not because of Congress. This city is world famous. This city is getting tourism. This city is getting wealth only because of crores and crores bhaktas of Lord Balaji coming from world. Thousands of people are getting employment in TTD because of Lord Balaji. And the person who does not respect Lord Balaji, the person who takes blessing from a pastor, a bishop, who says that all Hindu gods are shaitan, how he can take blessing for him? First, that person who gave blessing, he should admit that Lord Balaji is a god, and we can get salvation also if we go and take darshan of Lord Balaji, Ammavari, Padmavati. But they are not doing this. And that is, it is highly objectionable. We are going to go to Election Commission to disqualify this candidate, and we are not going to leave this issue. Even after elections are over, we are going to follow up with court if High Court or Supreme Court, wherever we can go, we are going to do this. And that is why Tirupati people should not go ahead for again one by-election. Thank you very much.
Sir, already YCP decided 5 lakhs deposited, 5 lakhs majority. Is it possible?
See, that Tirupati people will decide that 5 lakh people more will vote to a person who takes blessing from a bishop who calls Hindu gods as shaitans. Let the people decide. We should not worry about that. People are clever. You can listen to my all speeches. No need of talking every now and then. Go and ask Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu. Tell the true religion of Sucharita. Tell the true religion of Jayasri, na? Sri Devi, MLA Sri Devi. Tell the true religion of Sanjeevaiya. Tell the true religion of Dr. Gurumurthy. And I am afraid, I am surprised that one minister, क्या नाम है उनका? नानी नहीं, दूसरा कोई नानी है. He raised question on this Govinda Namam. He said that it is a drama. What a joke! No, another Nath. This Nama is a drama. How you can insult the Hindus of the state? How you can insult Venkateshwara Swami? Calling this is as drama. All people should know. When I became state co-in-charge in 2018, at that time, I entered in the holy land of Andhra Pradesh for the first time in my life. And what I did, immediately I went to Venkateshwara Swami and I performed Gundu. You can go and see all my posts on Facebook or Twitter in 2018 after August Tarvata. You can see the Gundu. This is my Shraddha towards Balaji. It is not drama. And if at all is a drama, then what Jagan Mohan Reddy Garu did before 2019 elections, going to Mandir and pretending that he is a Hindu, was that not a drama? It was the biggest drama. It was the biggest drama cheating Andhra Pradesh people. Thank you very much.